Hold on, we're almost done.
I love you deep in my heart.
Hi, Cornermates. It's another beautiful day. How are you all doing? Welcome to my corner, Miss AKF here again. On today's episode, this particular activity or event has been long overdue. We've been trying to, stop, or let's say, um, not do it. Right? We want to cut my baby's hair. Oh, plenty hair is going. Anyways, the essence of this voiceover is just to not just make the video dry, right? So what we have here is my husband is trying to cut my son's hair, and I want to just take you through the process of how we went about it. This guy refused this cloth though. At some point I think he removed it, but you'll get to see that later. Instead of going to the salon, I felt like it is his first cut, and since we have low budget professional, I don't. I was looking at me like this girl is not serious. Anyways, you will see the work of the low budget barber that is doing this work, right? So you see, at this point, I had to come and carry him because my husband couldn't do the could my husband couldn't cut the hair at the same time holding him, so I had to help so that we can distract him a bit. It was a lot of energy consumed, but we are doing fine. Anyways, guys, enjoy the video. Thank you. Hey, Cornermates, thank you for watching and sticking around to this point. We finally succeeded in cutting the back part of it. At this point, it was a bit relaxed. It was easy to cut the remaining part of it because after that other part, he just sat down by himself, and then we were able to conclude this cut. But thank you for watching up to this point. As you can see, let's take a moment to appreciate our Baba, our low budget Baba. We love you. Anyways, this is what we have. Just don't go just yet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We are growing over 200 subscribers. Road to 500. Please like, share, subscribe. When you like the video, what it does is YouTube will suggest it to more people to view, and when you subscribe, my subscription grows. So everything means something to me. When you like, when you share, when you subscribe, it helps. I know that you can only like once, you can only subscribe once, but as soon as you subscribe, please don't stop there. Like my video. I try to be very consistent in uploading one video per week, so kindly like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Put on your notification bell so that when I drop new videos, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you for always being in my corner. For returning subscribers, for new subscribers, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming on this channel. You will love it here. I love you. Please wait to the end of the video to see the final look. Right? Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hold on, we're almost done. I forgot to mention some of the things that actually help the process of cutting this hair, right? The essence is to learn, right? So, one thing we did was I gave him, I think biscuits. He ate biscuits most of the time. Just whatever your favorite snack, your child's favorite snack is, will help. Also, he was able to sit and he became more comfortable because, of course, we are familiar faces. That's why I said this first cut was better off with us his parents, because going out, I don't know how he would have behaved, right, if he was cutting in the salon or something. But yeah, that's it. Thank you. See what our final look is. Oh, at first I didn't like it. Well, now looking at it, can you see? Fine boy. Thank you for watching.